Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked strategies for success in the ketogenic lifestyle, and really any health journey, becoming your own cheerleader. If you've ever encouraged a friend through hard times, you already have the skills. Now it's time to turn that kindness inward and encourage yourself the same way. Let's jump into 3 powerful ways to practice self-encouragement on keto, especially when things get tough. Point number 1, talk to yourself like you would a friend. We all mess up. Maybe you gave into a craving or skipped meal prep. What matters is how you respond afterward. Would you call your best friend a failure? Of course not. You'd lift them up, remind them of their progress, and help them reset. Start practicing the same self-talk. Instead of, I blew it, try, that was a tough moment, but I'm proud I'm still in the game. Self-compassion is not weakness. It's a superpower on this journey. Point number 2, celebrate the small wins. You don't need to wait until you hit a goal weight to feel proud. Did you make a smart food swap today? Prep meals for the week? Say no to the drive-through? Celebrate it. Write your wins down. Share them in your keto community. Remind yourself often, small actions lead to big change. Every time you recognize your own effort, you're reinforcing the belief that you can do this, and that belief is everything. Point number 3, use daily affirmations to build confidence. What you say to yourself becomes what you believe. Start each day with a few affirmations. Try these. I'm capable of lasting change. I choose foods that nourish me. I am patient with my progress. Put them on your mirror, fridge, or lock screen. Your brain needs reminders that you're not just surviving keto, you're thriving on it. When your mindset is positive, your actions naturally flow. Remember, your journey isn't about being perfect. It's about consistency, self-love, and showing up for yourself. So cheer yourself on. You deserve it. If this message hits home for you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more keto strategies and mindset tips. You've got this. See you in the next video.